Hi, welcome to our channel Learn Something Every Moment. In earlier videos, we already solved too many problems on ages. In this video, I will give some problems and you have to solve by yourself and comment our answer in comment section. Okay? Before solving, I will give some hints to solve. Let's begin. Coming to the first question, the age of Jaya and Anu are in the ratio of 6:5. After 9 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:8. What is the difference in their ages? See, this type of questions we already solved too many in earlier videos. What they give? Ages of Jaya and Anu are in the ratio of 6:5, which means Jaya age is 6x and Anu age is 5x. And after 9 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:8, which means 6x plus 9 by 5x plus 9 is equal to 9 by 8. Now we can calculate x value. Now substitute in 6x and 5x. What they ask actually? Difference between their ages. Okay? Which means 6x minus 5x. So x is the difference in their ages. Okay? Next, coming to next question. At present, Sunny is twice Swati says. 8 years hence, the respective ratio between Sunny's and Swati's ages then will be 22:13. What is Sunny's present age? What they give? At present, Sunny is twice Swati's age, which means Sunny age is equal to 2 into Swati's age, which means the ratio is like 2:1. Okay? If Sunny age is 2, Swati age is 1. If Sunny age is 4, Swati age is 2. Okay, Sunny is twice Swati's age. Next, what they give? 8 years hence, the respective ratio between Sunny's and Swati's ages will be 22:13, which means here the keyword is hence. Hence means after. See, 2x plus 8 by x plus 8 is equal to 22 by 13. Now we can calculate the x value. Okay. What they ask? Sunny's present age, which means 2 into x. We already calculate the x value. So 2 into x is the Sunny's present age. Okay. Substitute the x value in 2x and calculate Sunny's present age. Okay. After getting your answer, what you have to do? Comment. Okay. Next, coming to the next question. The present ages of Varsha, Trishla and Sunny are in the ratio of 8:14:22 respectively. The present ages of Trishla, Sunny and Swati are in the ratio 21:33:44 respectively. Which of the following represents the ratio of the present ages Varsha, Trishla, Sunny and Swati respectively? See here. What they give? Varsha, Trishla, Sunny ratio is 8:14:22. Okay. Next, Trishla, Sunny, Swati ratio is 21:33:44. In the two ratios, what the common is? Trishla and Sunny. Okay. In both ratios, Trishla and Sunny are the common, which means their both ratios is, if their both ratios are equal means, then we can find 4 members ratio. Getting or not? Actually, this question is somewhat TD type, which means we have little bit have knowledge on ratios topic. Okay, don't worry, we will discuss ratios topics also. Okay, now we solve this problem. 8:14:22. See here, 8 means 4 into 2, 14 means 7 into 2, 22 means 11 into 2. Okay, see here what Trishla and Sunny say ratio is 14 and 22, and second ratio 21 and 33. See, 21 means 7 into 3, 33 means 11 into 3. Getting or not? So, in above ratio, if we multiply by 3, which means 4 into 3, 12, 7 into 3, 21, and 11 into 3, 33. Then we get Trishla and Sunny ratio is same in both ratios. Okay, 12, 21, 33, and below ratio 21, 33, 44. Now we can find easily. The four members ratio is Varsha, Trishla, Sunny and Swati's ratio is 12 is to 21 is to 33 is to 44. Getting? This problem we no need to solve anything. We already discussed whole thing now only. Okay. Coming to the next question. The ages of Arumal and Nizar are in the ratio of 11 is to 13 respectively. After 7 years, the ratio of their ages will be 22 is to 23. What is the difference in years between their ages? What they give? Present ages of Arumal and Nizar ratio is 11 is to 13, which means 11x and 13x. Okay, after 7 years, the ratio is 20 is to 23, which means 11x plus 7 by 13x plus 7 is equal to 20 by 23. Okay, now we get the x value. So the difference between their ages is 13x minus 11x, which means 2x. We get one value for x, right? So 2 into x is equal to the difference between their ages. Okay, got it? Next question. The average age of Shreya and Priyanka is 42 years. The ratio of their ages is 2 is to 1. What is the Priyanka's age? See, ratio of their ages is 2 is to 1, which means 2x and x. Average is 42, okay, which means 2x plus x by 2 equal to 42. So by this we can calculate the x value. Here Shreya age is 2x and Priyanka age is x. So what we get the x value, that is the Priyanka's age. Okay. Next question. The difference between the present ages of Asta and Anuja is 14 years. 7 years ago, the ratio of their age was 5 is to 7 respectively. What is Anuja's age? See, here they give the difference between the present age of Asta and Anuja is 14 years. In introduction video, we already discussed that one important thing, the difference between ages always remains constant. So here Asta and Anuja's age difference is 14 years. Got it? 7 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 5 is to 7, which means Asta age is 5x and Anuja age is 7x. Okay. So 7x minus 5x is equal to 14. By this we can calculate the x value. Okay. Now what is Anuja's age? Anuja's age. 7 years ago the ratio is 5 is to 7, which means Anuja's is 7x. So 7 into x value. So 7 into x value is the 7 years ago. So what we get the value plus 7 is the present age of Anuja's age. Got it? Okay. Coming to the next question. The ratio of present age of Lucky and Siri is 6 is to 9. Siri is 7 years younger than Jignasha. Jignasha's age after 8 years will be 51 years. Then what is the difference between the present ages of Lucky and Siri? What I give? Ratio of present age of Lucky and Siri is 6 is to 9. Okay. Siri is 7 years younger than Jignasha. Jignasha's age after 8 years will be 51. After 8 years, 51. Which means present age is 51 minus 8. What the value? 43. Okay. Now Siri is 7 years younger than Jignasha. Which means 43 minus 7. Which means what the value? 36. Got it? Now what is Siri says? 9x. So 9x is equal to 36. So we get x value is equal to 4, right? And Lucky age is 6x. Okay. So 6 into x. Or else 9x minus 6 is x is equal to 3x, right? So 3x. What we get x value? 3, 4. Okay. So the difference between Lucky and Siri is 3x. Calculate and comment the answer. Coming to the next question. Lalit's age is 10 years more than Rohit's age. Also Lalit was twice old as Rohit 15 years ago. What will be the age of Lalit 6 years after? This question is very easy. You must do. Okay. See. Lalit age is 10 years more than Rohit age. Okay. Also Lalit was twice old as Rohit 15 years ago. 15 years ago, which means let Lalit age is X and Rohit age is Y, and X is equal to Y plus 10 by first sentence. X is equal to Y plus 10, and also Lalit was twice old as Rohit 15 years ago. See, X minus 15 is equal to 2 into Y minus 15. By these two equations, we can calculate the X and Y. What they ask, what will be the age of Lalit 6 years after? Which means we get X and value, right? X is the Lalit age. So after 6 years, which means X plus 6 is the answer. Okay, calculate. Next, coming to the next question. In 80 years ago, P will be twice as old as Q. If A is now 6 years older than Q, then the present age of Q is C. In 80 years ago, P will be twice as old as Q, which means 80 years ago. Let the age is X and Y. So, X minus 8 is equal to 2 into Y minus 8. If P is now 6 years older than Q, present P is 6 years older than Q, which means X is equal to Y plus 6. It is constant because older or younger difference is always be constant. Okay, here they give now or, but it remains constant. X is equal to Y plus 6, and substitute in earlier equation. What is that? X minus 8 is equal to 2 into Y minus 8. Okay, and second equation is X is equal to Y plus 6. By calculating two equations, we get X and Y. Now present age of Q, which means Y is our answer. Okay. Coming to the next question. The sum of age of 4 children born at the interval of 2 years each is 48. What is the age of youngest one? It is very interesting question. What they give? 4 children are there, and they are interval of 2 years. Okay, which means one child is 2 years, means next one is 4, next one is 6, next one is elder one is 8, like that. Okay, what they give? The sum of age of 4 children is 48 with the interval of 2 years. So the youngest child is, let it be X, then second youngest child is X plus 2, third youngest X plus 4, elder one X plus 6. Okay, so X plus 2 plus X plus 4 plus X plus 6 is equal to 48. So we get the X value. Here X is the youngest one. That is our answer. Hope so you all understand and you all do yourself these problems. If you have any doubts, you can put your doubts on our comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching. Keep smile.